Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on my garden. It went down to like 25 degrees last night, so everything's pretty much womp womp dead. We'll see. Let me turn this camera around. My vincas still look great. Oh my goodness. My pin cushions are fine. These are my irises, and they're coming back. I'm so excited. But everything else is pretty much dying. The marigolds are drying up. The gomphrena still look pretty good, but my blue mist, the leaves are turning purple. My stargazer, that's dead. That's been dead. I have a iris coming out right here. I forgot to move that one. Everything else is pretty dead. My mums didn't do too well this year. I think because I didn't put fertilizer on them. My bad. My blue mist, there's all the leaves from the trees. It's starting to fall. And these finally froze. They did not look like that yesterday. They were green and pretty. The zinnias, but they are gone today. And the leaves on my apple trees are starting to fall and turn yellow. And I'll show you over here my watermelons dead, zucchinis frozen. There was one coming out. There was that one coming out and that one, but nope, they froze now. I had already showed you guys that my cucumbers had died. They got attacked by aphids and cucumber beetles. Womp womp. But my onions are coming out. But my scallions, my green onions, are not. And the peas are still producing, but I don't know if they're gonna start to freeze. Those are my carrots. Hopefully they come out. And these are my other cucumbers that also super died. And that's my update. I didn't do too great this year, but you know what? I'm not gonna be discouraged. Oh, and my mulberry tree got all scared, but I called my mulberry guy. He said it's fine. The leaves are gonna fall out, but it'll come back in spring. And that's it. That's the tour of my dying garden. Everybody's waiting for Christmas, but I'm waiting for spring so I could restart. And it didn't go that well this year, but I don't care. I'm not discouraged. I'm going to keep gardening. We only learn from doing, right? So hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on my journey. Let me know about your journey. Thanks for watching.